Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so make sure you click the first link in the description below to get all the particulars for this particular product. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, let's go back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales. The second bonus will show you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. And so with this one, you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 3 is a highly priced product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high valued gig, as an example, you can purchase it on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you become the middleman because you can pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 will show you how to create a passive income, and that passive income is a recurring passive income, and you can do that with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 a month or a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. So you receive a done-for-you high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's move on. Who is the vendor of Kindergarten Genius? Well, Tech Magnus is. And they are the vendors of this particular product, as I mentioned, and they have been around since 2017 and are now entering into the children's niche. And of 4 products that they have produced in this particular area, they have reached close to 4,000 sales. And this one looks like it'll be a winner as well. Now, in a nutshell, what you're doing is getting into the 22 billion early education market. And this particular program introduces you to a Kindergarten Genius. So you can grab hold of that market share with this product. And it's designed for education. And so it's an education bundle for pre-K or pre-kindergarten to kindergarten mastery. And you can customize it, brand it, and resell it so you can tap into the early learning industry. Things you should know about this product? Well, it's crafted to inspire and educate children through age-appropriate and engaging tasks. It provides a journey with foundational blocks for early learning, covering everything from the alphabet, numbers, shapes, colors, and much more. It promotes engagement of children in the activities, and it promotes a love for learning. It's a resource for parents, teachers, and educators. And you receive unrestricted private label rights, so therefore you can use it as you determine your use. And not only that, it's in the green niche area, and that is it's really here to stay for some time to come. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end offer is only $10 or $9.99. And there are 6 OTOs, ranging from $18.79 for OTO 1 to about $27. So OTO 2 is for $27, OTO 3 is $27, OTO 4 is $27, OTO 5 is $27, and OTO 6 is $21.87. So they're all priced within a very reasonable range. Now, watch for the downsells, because there are some downsells, and you will save some money, but you might get less product or a different product. Now, here's an example, or some samples of the material that is provided, and I'll just let you take a quick look at that for a few seconds. Now, if you need to know more, you can click that second link below and get that full story. And before I go, I want to ensure that you are clicking on that first link below, because it'll show you how to earn $10,000 a month. And I can assure you that many people are actually earning a good funding or a good amount of revenue with this particular program. And my 5 bonuses. And they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product just like this one. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Hope you find this review to your liking and that you purchase this product. Bye for now.